Welcome everyone. Today we will see how apples are grown, harvested, packed, and delivered to markets.
The journey begins with preparing fertile land for new apple trees. Young apple trees are planted with proper spacing so they can grow strong.
Watering systems provide the moisture needed for healthy tree growth.
In spring, apple blossoms appear, and bees help pollinate the flowers.
After pollination, small apples begin to form and slowly grow larger.
Throughout the season, farmers protect the fruit and care for the orchard. By harvest season, the apples become colorful, sweet, and ready to pick. Workers harvest apples by hand to prevent bruising and damage. Freshly picked apples are collected and transported to the packing house. The apples are washed thoroughly to remove dust and dirt.
Modern machines sort apples by size, color, and quality. The selected apples are packed carefully for transport.
Cold storage keeps apples fresh before shipping.
The packed apples are loaded onto trucks for delivery.
Soon the apples arrive in stores, ready for customers.
From blossom to basket, this is the full journey of apples.